talk about models. Down here at the bottom right, you can see it says Sonnet 5 Medium. And if I click on that, we'll see a whole list of other models that are available. Granted, some are only available on the paid plans. The model is the brain answering you. The names and version numbers change all the time. So here's the only pattern you need to know. There's a fast model for everyday tasks and a more powerful model for complex work. It's like fast food versus a fine dining chef. One feeds you right away for cheap, but the quality can vary. The other takes longer and costs more, but it handles the complex meals, the special requests, and the occasions where the details have to be just right. So when do you actually switch models? The default is right for everyday work. Move up to a more powerful model when the job is big or the result really matters, like analyzing a long contract, writing something important, or planning a complex project. Move down to the fast model when you're firing off lots of small questions and speed matters more than polish. You can switch at any time, even in the middle of a conversation. Right now, as I'm recording, Sonnet is the default model for most things. Haiku is a lighter weight model. Opus is a step up, and Fable is the top model available. Now you might also see an effort setting next to the model that's down here. It controls how long Claude thinks before it answers. Raise the effort level for problems with many steps where the details have to be right. Leave it on the default for everything else. One practical note, the powerful model and higher effort both use up your usage allowance faster, which brings us to limits. Here's how they work. Every plan, free and paid, gives you an amount of usage that refills on a schedule. If you ever hit the limit, nothing is broken and nothing is lost. You just wait for the reset, or you upgrade if it keeps happening. My advice is to start free and then upgrade on the day the limit starts to annoy you.